Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Winrar on Windows 11 and Windows 10 step by step. First, open any browser and search for Winrar. Open the official website and click Download Winrar. Scroll down and press the download button again. Now open File Explorer. Go to Downloads and double-click on the Winrar setup file. Click Install and agree to the terms. Here you can choose the file types you want Winrar to open and customize the settings. Then click OK and press Done. That's it. Winrar is now installed on your PC. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.